Assalamu alaikum Morokistan family. Today we are making another soothing drink, golden milk, also known as turmeric milk. It's warm, comforting. So without any delay, let's get started. In a teapot, pour 2 cups of milk. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix well and heat on medium flame. Let it simmer gently for about 5 minutes, allowing all the flavors to infuse beautifully. Once done, pour it into your favorite cup and add honey according to your taste. Garnish with pinch of cinnamon and your comforting golden milk is ready to enjoy. It's simple yet powerful drink to warm your body and calm your mind. Enjoy your drink, happy cooking, and see you next time.